to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
33.
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 Yeah, you won. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11? Are you 12? Are you 13? Are you 14? Are you 15? Are you 16? Are you 17? Are you 18? Are you 19? Are you 20? Are you 21? Are you 22? Are you 23? Are you 24? Are you 25? Are you 26? Are you 27? Are you 28? Are you 29? Are you 30? Are you 31? Are you 32?
Look, Budge.
Are you 33? Yeah!
Hey, Brett!
Make a wish, Brittany! Make a wish, darling.
Did she make a wish and blow out the candle?
Yes!
Genda.
Amen. Amen.
Amen! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Now, Budge, bring it away. I want say, Budge.
I want to say happy birthday to Mama.
Yes.
Say happy birthday to Mom.
Oh. Yay.
Happy birthday to Mommy.
Oh. Yay. Yay. Happy birthday, Brittany. God bless you on many, many more. Enjoy your night. We love you. Good night. Love you.
Love you, Brett.
We love you too. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Buzz, take it away.
Save me some of that cake.
Yeah,
Save me some cake. I know you don't like it, but you're gonna eat that cake. Yes.